Yo, what's up, guys? So I just got phone cases enabled on my Merch by Amazon account. Welcome back to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez, and we're going to talk about phone cases today. Okay, I know that when they released the phone cases was at the beginning of the month of July, and I didn't receive them at the beginning. It took about 2 weeks for them to be enabled on my account, and I know there's a few people that haven't got them enabled yet on their account. But if you're watching this and you had them enabled on your account, congratulations, good job. And for the ones that haven't received them yet, you'll be getting them, but soon, I believe. So one of the most important things as I've been doing the research and stuff like that and how designs have been selling on Merch by Amazon, as we're going to break down in this video too, because I've been doing the research and I did some research for you guys and kind of break it down for you guys so you guys can see. But the design, right? Design on the phone case, the patterns, t-shirt, it seems like a t-shirt design does really well. Illustrations that take up the whole case. As I break it down, you guys will see in the computer, but it seems like every single design does really well on a phone case, right? So far. But also too, one of the most important things, you just want to be very careful. Let me show you an example of my cell phone. My cell phone's plain simple, right? But the design part of it, right? When you guys put a design on there, you do not want it to be right there where the camera is. So if you put a full design and it cuts off, it's going to cut off the print because of the camera. It has to have room for the camera, so your illustration or your design can be cut off right there if you don't pay attention to that. As me, I have a Samsung Galaxy. I don't know, but yeah, that right there, you want to be careful because right there will cut it off because of the camera part right there. So now with different models too, you got to pay attention to that too, because with different models, you know what I mean, the cameras are in different positions. So something right there that you would want to pay attention to. And then also to trademark, right? The trademark for this is going to be number 9, right? 009. So if there is a phrase that you're going to be looking up, that's the trademark that you want to be looking for, because you do not want to get rejections on Merch by Amazon because you're trying to do a trademark phrase on a phone case, right? You don't want that to happen to you. You don't want it to appear on your account. You don't want to get a rejection. You don't want to get your account suspended. You know what I mean? So there's that right there. So that's really cool. What else? Nothing. Let's get straight into the content. All right, so we're right here in the back end of merchbyamazon.com/resources, and I'll put this down below. Make sure you guys definitely want to check this out because it's very important. Okay, when you guys are doing, when you're uploading your first designs to phone cases, right? You want to make sure you got these dimensions down, all that stuff. So 1800 by 3200 px. Okay, iPhone and Samsung phone cases, really freaking awesome. And also too, they have the little download templates down below right here, so you can download them to whatever platform you're using, whatever software you're using, Photoshop, Adobe, Illustrator, GIMP. Okay, so that's the most easy. This is understanding the basics and all that fun stuff is one of the most important things when it comes to designing for cell phone cases. And let's click over here to the next tab, and we're going to upload a design and see. Boom, that's an iPhone case, Samsung case. There, boom. All right, so it uploaded on the iPhone case. You guys can see how it looks. The background's black, really freaking looks really cool, real dope, real clean, right? And you can see right here, guys, the preview of the different models, right? This is real cool. And the cool thing about it, look at, dude, they added all these different cell phone case models, so really cool. Price point, some of you are going to ask, what's the lowest price point? What's the lowest you can add? What's the lowest price point? Okay, I think $13.84. Okay. And we're going to do some research to see what these bad boys are selling at. But also, too, it all depends on you, how you want to price your products. But, of course, the lower the price, the faster you'll make a sale, right? And I've tested this over and over and over and over again. But I see a lot of phone cases that they're messing around in that area right now when they're first uploading. Because I think the idea behind that, right, is get your first sales ranking the algorithm, not worry about it this year, get those reviews coming in going into Q4, and just, you know what I mean, just make as many sales as possible, right? Some people are not even worrying about profit. they're not even worrying about the profit on cell phone cases at the moment. They're more worried about getting their products ranking and getting that extra boost and getting ahead of everybody, right? I know that when I go to the stores and stuff like that, I'll see cell phone cases that are going for $19.99, or sometimes, like when cell phone cases first came out, they were going for $29.99, and that's freaking crazy. But people will buy them, right? So $19.99. I see a lot of cases at that price point too, as well. And then also too, they have them available on the Samsung Galaxy cases, S8, S8 Plus, S9, so on and so forth. As you can see, freaking awesome. Now you're asking yourself, are they the same price? And yes, right, the same royalty if you put them at a certain price. And yes, they are, right? So this is really, really, really awesome. And what I've noticed too as well, we're going to do some research right now. When we do the research, you're going to see that they put like in the title, they put like iPhone, or they'll put Samsung in there. So that's really cool. So yeah, let's go over to the next tab and let's check out research, right? This is going to be the fun stuff. Seeing what's selling, right? You can see that patterns, right? First thing and foremost, like what should you design, right, on a phone case? I'm pretty sure a lot of people are asking that. What should I design for a phone case? Patterns, right? You can see like this one has a different background and it has wells, right? And it's crushing it. Look at $14.99, 72K BSR, right? It's doing some type of damage right there. $17.99, no BSR. 1384, that's the lowest, and you can see kind of like the little design that they have going on right here. A little pattern, looks like this is a pattern. It's crushing it, right? Let's go down, and you can see like designs that you have on shirts, right? Eat, sleep, and anime, repeat. You can see that these right here, like look at the BSR is doing really well, and that's a design that you would also put on a shirt, and the only thing that they did was resize it and put it on a phone case. So now you're asking yourself, okay, my designs that I already have up on Merch by Amazon, does it make sense for me to upload them to phone cases? And I'm going to say yes, because it's just, you can see it right here showing you like some of these designs on here are crushing it, and they're just like, you know what I mean? Just writing and stuff like that. And also you can see like there's some of these illustrations and stuff like that are really big and blowing up on the phone case. Those do awesome too. So it seems like pretty much there's no really right way to design a phone case. Big illustrations, writing, patterns, they all do well. So you guys need to take advantage of this, right? This is huge right here. So look, you can see no one is legal on stolen land. This is big right here, guys. So if you guys have designs already on Merch by Amazon, convert them over onto phone cases and make them sales, baby. Make them sales. Make that money. Let's click on one. Okay, let's click on this one. Okay, I want to show you guys what the listing looks like. This is for the iPhone. You can see that how they added the variations in there for you, and that's freaking awesome. You know, with the Amazon FBA, like when you're doing like Seller Central, adding variations can be a little bit time consuming, but uploading a design right onto a phone case and it's doing all the variations already for you, dude, that is freaking amazing, right? Really, really amazing. And you can see, yeah, it just really, really, really amazing. Let's check out one more. Let's check out the well one real fast. Yeah, it's really amazing. This is crazy. Okay, and you can see, so here's the well one that's crushing it, doing really good, right? Yeah, just adding the variations. You can see how they added iPhone 11 at the beginning, okay? Just the iPhone at the beginning, so there's no need for you to put iPhone. And I'm pretty sure that if you put iPhone in there, you'll get a rejection maybe. I haven't tested that part out yet. Me personally, I just got it yesterday on my account, so that's really cool too as well. But you can see with the keywords and stuff like that they're using right there. But yeah, freaking awesome. But yeah, as you scroll down, let's check this out. Scroll down right here, you can see, like I said, the designs that are doing good. There's no right or wrong way. It seems like, okay, people are taking their t-shirt designs and just throwing them on a phone case, and they're making sales. So that's a good sign, right? And also too, like, if you guys look at, okay, awesome. let's I want to go over here I want to go into more detail with the research too as well over here on Redbubble. You can see I'm gonna over here on Redbubble because they already had phone cases already available on that platform. You can kind of get a better idea of what's selling good over there too. Look at, see, awesome. Yep. Okay. Yep. Let's go over here. So let's go over here to Redbubble. Check this out. So you can see over here in Redbubble, kind of like the same, almost the same idea. You can see like very big illustrations blowing up on the phone case. Do really well. As far as like text and all that stuff, you definitely want to be careful, right? Because of like the camera area right here. If you guys can see that, you want to be careful if you have text going over, you do not want to hit it right there because it'll cut it off, right? As you can see. Let's see let's see if we can find it. So let's see if we can find a Samsung one so I can show you. So they're here. Samsung phone case, for example. So the Samsung phone case, for example. Okay, this is a very important part to touch on because look, you can see right here. So if you have your text and it covers the whole thing right here, it's going to be cut out. Okay, if it covers up the whole back end of the phone case, it's going to be cut out. So it's very important that you guys understand that too. And then with the iPhone, you can see like the different models will have like a different camera. So you guys want to pay attention to that too. That's very important. You guys to catch on to that before you guys start designing for these. So something to think about when you're doing your design work. You want to make sure that it doesn't, you know what I mean, hit where the camera area is because your design will be cut off. So yeah, same thing over here with Redbubble. I'm getting the same idea, right? Same everything from over here on Redbubble. As you guys can see, as you go down, it's the same thing. It's like pretty much like a pattern, a bee pattern, right? Bird pattern, you know what I mean? Look at this, like a illustration of the moon. Look at this one right here, a sloth, right? Just so I don't want you guys to, like, when you guys coming in, when you're uploading the designs over here, don't kind of overthink it because it seems like it's a good niche, and these are also there's also going to be awesome gift stuff, like stocking stuffers, right? Gift stuffers, stocking stuffers for Christmas. Like I can see someone buying a cell phone and a pop socket, right? And then a matching whatever, like a matching set together. So this is going to be really big and it's really cool. Okay. I think one of the coolest things too as well is that the variations, right? How they added everything all in one for us. So that just basically just creating more opportunity for us to make more sales. That's freaking dope. It's awesome. So